Good afternoon, Con here with Techout. Today we're going to be unboxing the Speck Presidio grip for the Google Pixel 3. I am on day 3 of my 30-day Pixel challenge, and I figured I needed to pick up a case for it, so I went ahead and picked this up on Amazon. Right now it retails for about $40, but I'm a big fan of Speck cases. As you can see here, it's got some nice grip on the back, and I just find that these Speck cases hold up very well. So it's just the black case. They do offer it in a few different colors, but it does have 10-foot drop protection, a good cutout for the fingerprint sensor on the back, and it fits snugly on the phone. And overall, it's just a nice case. So this is the case I'm going to be using for the 30-day challenge as of right now, unless I find something else. But as you can see, it fits good. All the buttons work. Very tactile buttons, camera cutout, flash cutout, all that kind of stuff is perfect, as well as the USB-C cutout on the bottom. And overall, it's just a really nice looking case with some good grips on the back to keep your phone protected and give you a nice place to hold on to it. So that's the Speck Presidio grip for the Google Pixel 3. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.